Hi, hello. Good evening. Welcome to Unacademy platform, all of you. Very good evening. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel, all of you. Thank you. Thanks for coming. All of you, welcome. Yeah, hi Krishna. Very good evening. Very good evening, Krishna. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel, all of you. Is it audible to you? Yeah. Hi Tanuja, Shyam Sundar. Good evening. Very good evening. And Naveen, very good evening. Is it audible to you, all of you? Please tell me anyone. Yes. So we will start one by one. Before I am starting it, I want to say something about the plus subscription. Okay. Yes. See, this selection batch, Unacademy has launched the selection batch on March 18, 2022 for the EAMCET 2022 batch. So I think this APMCET Rajkumar, APMCET I am going to discuss right now. Okay. So లక్ష్యం బ్యాచ్ అనేది ఏపీ ఎంసెట్ కోసం తెలంగాణ ఎంసెట్ కోసమే మనకి స్టార్ట్ చేయబడింది. సో దిస్ బ్యాచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ batch with respect to the students who are appearing for TS and APMCET. Okay, Rajkumar? Right. It is only for this selection batch is only for TS and APMCET. Okay, no doubt about it. And in this selection batch, we will discuss the quick revision and full-length mock test will be conducted, and we will discuss structured live courses, and unlimited recorded content will also be there. Yeah, hi Sri Jyoti, very good evening. Rajkumar, good evening. Welcome Rajkumar, welcome to Unacademy platform. All of you, good evening. Okay, right. Anyone? Very nice, very nice. Just a minute. Yeah, good. Okay. So Bharat Sai, please come to the special classes also. Every day on evening 8 to 9, there is a special class in one day, and there is a YouTube in another day. Okay, okay, special class of YouTube, okay, special class of YouTube. I think in this particular April month, the special as well as YouTubes are almost over. Maximum complete అయిపోయాయి మనకి. ఇంకా ఉన్న వెరీ లిటిల్ తక్కువ ఉన్న మాత్రమే మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. టుడే, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So only these 3 days we will discuss the remaining things. Okay, right. So if you want to take the subscription, please take the subscription immediately because the time is completely going on. Yeah, see here, for 1 month it is 2439 rupees. 2439 rupees for 1 month, and for 2 months it is 4499 rupees. So if you want to take the subscription, these are the fee structure. This is the fee structure, and for 3 months it is 5499 rupees. This is the fee structure for EAMCET preparation. 3 months course anamata. If you want to take really, you want to take the subscription really, this is my code. Maruti Live is my code. Maruti Live. This is my code. Once you are using this code, you will get 10% of instant discount out of this total amount. So in మొత్తం amount లో మీకు 10% of instant discount రావడానికి there is a possibility. So that's why please use this code. And coming to the important concept, that is S and P block elements. Today I am going to discuss about the S as well as P block elements. Voice 2 times వినిపిస్తుందా? Just a minute. Please observe now. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Okay, right, done. Yes, thank you, Jansi. Coming to our S and P block elements. S P block elements వచ్చేస్తున్నాం. So our today's concept is S as well as P block elements. S as well as P block elements. S block elements, P block elements rendu continues to previous year questions. These are all previous year questions. We are discussing the previous year questions only. See here, this question is already there on 17th September 2020 shift 1. Okay. Yes, hi Soni, good evening, welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel, and Bharat Sai, good evening. Yeah, clear sir, Bharat Sai already anyway, right, good. So coming to the first question. AP or XTS, what is that? Yeah, let us see. No, in the YouTube session I will discuss only the previous year questions. In the special as well as in plus classes I am completely explaining the concept. Okay, Bharat Sai. So నేను దానిలో మనకి స్పెషల్ క్లాసెస్లోని as well as plus classes-లోని I am going to discuss about the complete concept. సో ఇలాగా వీటిలో స్పెషల్ క్లాసెస్లోని కొన్ని what we call YouTube sessionsలోని I will discuss only the objective bits, previous year questions. ఎందుకంటే we have only 1.5 months, nearly 2 months we have. Within the 2 months we need to complete the syllabus as well as the objective bits. So practicing of objective bit is very important for you. అవునా? Right. So let us see the first question. Yeah. What is the first question? Two metals A and B having similar ionic radii. Two metals ichadu. These two metals are having similar ionic radii. And when react with oxygen to give only monoxides and react with nitrogen to give only nitrides. That means there is a similarity in between the A as well as B metals. A ki B ki madhyalo there is a small similarity. Similarity undi ani artham avutundi, right? So based on the similarity of this concept, you can easily guess what about the A as well as B respectively. Which is A and which is B. Yeah, Sony said that it is C. Sony has already opted that it is C. C and Jipton Sony. Let us see whether it is right or wrong. Anyone? What about the remaining? Yeah, Sony, you opted C, very good. But we need to see whether it is right or wrong. Yeah, Srijoti said that it is A, lithium and sodium. Again, Uma Kumari said that it is C. Parasai, ESR, Nadutunadu. Good. Those who opted the C, that is correct. Those who opted the C, that is correct. Very good. But how can we say that it is C? C and ela cheptam. Yeah, Sakina said that it is A. No, the answer C is correct. Option C is correct, but not A it is. It is not A, it is C. Okay. Very good. What is the reason? Krishna said, sir, diagonally entered. Very good. Diagonal relationship. Perfect, Krishna. Very nice, Sony. Good. Diagonal relationship is the correct answer. Very nice. Excellent. Diagonal relationship. What is the meaning of diagonal relationship? You know very well. Diagonal relationship means, yeah, definitely Rajkumar. Monoxide. Suppose if you take, first of all, I will explain the diagonal ship, then we will go for the options. Okay. So, ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు క్వశ్చన్స్ లో మనకి A as well as B are similar ionic radii అని అంటున్నాడు. So normally if you take the diagonal relationship, first A group as well as second A group. If you take the first A group and if you take second A group, this is first A and this is second A. First A group first A group elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. So these are all the first A group elements. What about the second A group elements? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and radium. So these are all the second A group elements, these are all the first A group elements. Okay, so in between the first A of lithium and second A of magnesium, in between these two, very good Krishna, first element is similar to the next period next element. Very good, that is called as diagonal relationship. Excellent, good. So lithium and magnesium is having a diagonal relationship. Very nice. And suppose if you take the third A group elements, what are the third A group elements? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. So in between beryllium and aluminium, these two are having diagonal relationship. So that means these two are having chemical properties are same chemical properties exhibit chestayi. Suppose if you take when the A and B are react with oxygen to give only monoxides, monoxides matra vistayi cheptunnadu. So if suppose if you take lithium will produce only monoxide, that is Li2O, lithium monoxide. And in the same way magnesium, if you take magnesium monoxide, MgO will be produced. Lithium is having Li2O whereas magnesium is having MgO. So these two are produce the monoxides when it reacts with oxygen. So obviously the answer is lithium as well as magnesium. Lithium, sodium are the same. Sodium, calcium అనేది diagonal relationship వస్తుందా రాదా? రాదు. Because ఎందుకు రాదు? First element the next group లో ఉండే next element, that means up to the second and third periods the diagonal relationship will be there. But అక్కడి నుంచి మనకి కనపట్ల వాళ్ళకి, అక్కడి నుంచి the diagonal relationship will not observed. Yeah, Venkata, correct. That is not occurred. When you are moving from the top to bottom, the diagonal relationship will be reduced. Correct. Very good, very good. So the option is C. Perfect. Coming to the next question. Yeah, please observe this. Boron trifluoride BF3 is used as a catalyst in so many number of industrial processes. This is because ఎందుకు BF3 మనం catalyst గా యూజ్ చేస్తాము? What is the reason? Boron trifluoride ని maximum industrial catalyst గా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. What is the reason? Strong reducing nature ఉంటుందా దీనికి, and it is a weak reducing nature, and strong Lewis acid, whereas it is weak Lewis acid. What is the correct option? Please do it fast. Which is correct? Krishna said that it is C అంటాడు. Krishna, నీ పేరేంటి? Krishna Babu. What is your full name? Krishna. Naveen also said that it is C, but Bharat Sai said that it is D. Venkataratham again said that it is C. Sony C. Wow, good. Max, you opted the C answer. Very good. Those who opted the C answer, they are correct. Very good. Strong Lewis acid nature is correct. Very good. Tanuja Shyam Sundar, very good. It is also C. Correct. Uma Kumari. Good. Very good. Very nice. Perfect. Sony, what is your full name? Sony, may I know your full name? Boron trifluoride is having a vacant orbital. Very good. BF3 is having a vacant orbital, so it can accept the lone pair of electrons into this vacant orbital. So the substance which can accept the lone pair, is called as Lewis acid. Yeah, Someshwari, very good Someshwari, good, very nice. So this is called as Lewis acid. Lewis acid means the substance the species which can accept the lone pair of electrons into it is called as Lewis acid. The species which can donate the lone pair of electrons is called as Lewis base. So it can easily accept the lone pairs towards it because it has a vacant orbital. So it is a strong Lewis acidic nature. So the strong Lewis acid nature it can be used as a catalyst. That's a very good. Coming to the next one. Wow, super, very good. Coming to the next one. Among the following oxides, carbon dioxide is there, tin oxide is there, silicon oxide is there, lead oxide is there. Out of these four, which one is weakly basic? Which one is weakly basic and it a powerful oxidizing agent? Weak basic, but it is a powerful oxidizing agent. ఎవరు స్ట్రాంగ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ కింద ఉంటారు? ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి మీనింగ్? అవతల వాళ్ళ నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ తీసేసుకోవాలి, అవతల వాళ్ళని ఆక్సిడైజ్ చేయాలి. అవతల వాళ్ళని ఆక్సిడైజ్ చేయాలంటే ఐ నీడ్ టు యాక్సెప్ట్ ద ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. I need to accept the electrons. If I am accepting the electrons, my oxidation state will be reduced. My oxidation state will be reduced. If I am taking the electrons, if I have +4, if I am taking one electron, +4 can convert to +3. If I lose one electron, +4 can convert to +5. Okay. So out of these four, which is having powerful oxidizing agent character? Guess change quicker. The options are carbon dioxide, tin oxide, silica and PBO2. ఇప్పుడు నేను హింట్ ఇచ్చాను మీకు. పవర్ఫుల్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఇట్ షుడ్ యాక్సెప్ట్ ద ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద అదర్స్. ఒకవేళ అది యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తే ద ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ సబ్స్టాన్స్ కెన్ బి ఈజీలీ రెడ్యూస్డ్. తగ్గాలి అని అంటాం. వాట్ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్? వెంకటరత్నం said that it is C. Krishna said that it is D. Uma Kumari D. Oh, very good, very good. పెడుతున్నారు బాగా ఆన్సర్స్. PBO2, దివ్య సెట్ PBO2. Srijyoti said that it is D again. Wow, very good. Divya, Srijyoti, those who are the D, they are all correct. Very good, excellent. Very good, good going. But how do we know why the PBO2 is the correct? Apart from the remaining carbon dioxide, tin oxide, silica, ఇవన్నీ ఏ గ్రూప్ నాన్న? కార్బన్, సిలికాన్, జర్మేనియం, టిన్ అండ్ lead. These all belongs to which group? These all belongs to which group? Anyone please tell me? These all belongs to which group? Yeah, Venkataratnam said that it is sixth group kaadu. These are all. Yeah, Sai said that it is Sir PB is having high electronegative sir antadu. PB ki electronegative character ekku undi anduku sir అని అంటాడు. అందుకు PBO2 కరెక్ట్ అని అంటాడు. Yeah, it is carbon family, no doubt about it. Very good. Fourth group it is, Rajkumar. Excellent. It is a fourth group. These are all fourth group elements. Yeah, Sanjana, Bhupati Raj, very good. Hi, good evening Sanjana. Sanju, Sanjana, Nana, plus class. You are a plus subscriber. Am I right? Sanjana, Bhupati Raj. Are you a plus subscriber, right? Yeah, 4K is the correct one, no doubt. Suppose if you take the 4K group elements like carbon, silicon, germanium, tin as well as lead. Okay, if you take all these elements, no, not A. Yeah, very good Sanjana, please welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for coming. So carbon, silicon, germanium, tin as well as lead. Suppose if you take all these 5 different elements, if it forms the oxides like silica, germanium, tin oxide and lead oxide. So in all the cases, the central atoms are having +4 oxidation state. Am I right? +4 because oxygen is having -2, so it is -4. So carbon is having +4, +4, +4 and +4. But ఇక్కడ ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి అంటే పవర్ఫుల్ ఆక్సిడెంట్ ఈజ్ అవర్ కాన్సెప్ట్. Powerful oxidant. So out of all these four, one element should have acting as a powerful oxidant. So it can accept the electrons. Carbon accept చేసిన అనుకోండి electrons ని. If it accepts the electrons, will it form any 2+ or 3+ or +1 etc. Carbon ఎప్పుడైనా +1 స్టేట్ లో గానీ +2 స్టేట్ లో గానీ +3 స్టేట్ లో గానీ ఉందా? No. In the same way silicon, if it accepts the electrons, will it have any silicon +3 or +2 or +1? No, there is no chance at all. In the tin also there is no chance at all. But lead is having a capacity to accept the electrons. Once it takes the electrons, very good Bharsai, perfect. When it takes the 2 electrons, it can have +2 oxidation state. So out of all these 4 elements, only lead is having a capacity to accept the electrons. That means lead is only having a capacity to reduce its oxidation state, but the remaining elements in 4th A group does not having a capacity to reduce its oxidation states. Due to inert pair effect, lead does not loses the remaining 2 electrons of Ns. ns2 electrons అనేవి లాస్ చేయదు. ఒకవేళ ఇది కూడా చేస్తే np2 ns2 మొత్తం 4 electrons అయ్యిండేవి. But according to inert pair effect, the ns2 will not willing to donate these 2 electrons for bond formation. కాబట్టి np2 లో మాత్రం electrons బయటికి వెళ్తాయి. So it can have only 2 plus oxidation state. So plus 4 plus 2 కింద కన్వర్ట్ అవడానికి there is a chance. Okay, so our answer is PbO2. Got it all of you? Very good, very good. Yeah, hi Gautam, good evening. Welcome to Unacademy platform, Gautam. Thank you, thanks for coming. Very good. So fourth కూడా ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. Before we are seeing this fourth question, we will move to the 5th question first. Okay, yeah, good. S of 6 is kinetically inert. Kinetically, that means react అయ్యే nature కి S of 6 move అవ్వాలన్నా, movement means reaction power. S of 6 reacting power is very less because it is a kinetically inert substance and it cannot move, it cannot react to the other substance as easy as possible. అంత ఈజీగా రియాక్ట్ అవ్వడం అనేది జరగదు. Why? Because fluorine is highly electronegative, it is sterically protected, and greater difference in electronegativities of sulfur and fluorine, electronegative differences ఉన్నాయి రెండిట్లోని, and large size of sulfur atom. ఏది కరెక్ట్? Which is the correct one? S of 6 is kinetically inert substance because, yeah, Nikhil said that it is B, but well, we need to see whether it is right or wrong. Venkata again said it is B. We will see whether it is right or wrong. Venkata again said it is B. Yeah, Bharat Sai said that it is A. Please be quick. Quick answers ఇవ్వండి fast గా. Yeah, good. A and B, D. Oh, Srijyoti said D. Yeah, hi Harshita, good evening. Very good evening, welcome Harshita, welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. Uma Kumari said A. So some of you are opted A and some of you are opted B and some of you opted D. See how it will. So either it may be A or B or D. What is the correct one? Large size of S atom may be correct, but actually it is not correct because once you take the S of 6, what is the hybridization of sulfur in this case? Anyone please tell me? What is the hybridization of sulfur in this case? Crisscross method, very simple. Suppose if you take alumina A2O3, oxygen is having 2 minus, aluminum is having 3 plus. So in the crisscross method, the 2 is comes under the aluminum and 3 is comes under the oxygen. So A2O3 is formula according to crisscross. Okay, Rajkumar, very good. Yeah, Nikhil said that it is octahedral, but I am asking about the hybridization. Wow, good. sp3d2. Yeah, Bharat Sai, it is not sp3d3, it is sp3d2. Very good. sp3d2 kada ante once it is having sp3d2, we can say that it is which shape? Octahedral shape. sp3d2 వచ్చింది అంటే it is in octahedral shape. So octahedral means this is sulfur, this is the structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4 fluorines are in the plane and 5th fluorine is above the plane and the 6th fluorine is below the plane. Okay, yeah, very good. S of 6, S is having plus 6. S 6 లో ఉంటుంది కదా, S2 minus plus 6 కూడా దీనికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. F is having minus 1. So according to crisscross, it is SF6. Okay, very good. 2 axial fluorines are there. and 4 fluorines are one plane and 2 fluorines are in the axial positions. So ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, this is sulfur and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 fluorines are completely this sulfur is accommodates all the 6 fluorines. This sulfur is accommodates all the 6 fluorines. So it is the sulfur is sterically protected. So once it is sterically protected, definitely Naga Prashant Reddy sir, please do class about concepts and annadu. Definitely in the next month definitely we will discuss, because the YouTube classes are over for this day and for yesterday, day after tomorrow one more class is there for YouTube, and after that for this April 1 the YouTube class are over for me. Okay, and in the next month we will discuss the important concepts, some basic concepts in the YouTube channel. Definitely Prashant Reddy. See here, so it is sterically protected. So once it is sterically protected, it cannot react with the other substance. So it is kinetically it is inert because it is sterically protected. So the sulfur is accommodates all the 6 fluorines. So these 6 fluorines are completely protected the sulfur. That's all. Coming to the next one. Yeah, B2 diborane is deleted. Of course, we will move to the next one. Yeah, this is most important concept. How many compounds can be formed when carbon combines with oxygen? When the carbon combines with oxygen in different ratios. Yeah, Rajkumar, there is a shortcut method to discuss the hybridization. What about the remaining? Is it necessary to see and only? See, let us see whether it is right or wrong. What about the remaining? Rajkumar manaki hybridization shortcut cheppandi sir antadu. Cheppantara what about the remaining? Yeah, good. A, C, B, 2, C. Wow. Yeah, Srinivasrao antadu yes sir cheppandi antaru. What about the remaining? Shortcut method for hybridization. Yeah, Apolnaidu, A, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Only 2 concepts vastaya. Vaste EAMCET level. Only two compounds vaste. It is not the question in EAMCET. Yeah, definitely. I will give the simple trick to get the hybridization. Yeah, actually the carbon, when it reacts with oxygen, it will produce 4 different types of compounds. What you said is correct. Carbon monoxide, no doubt. Along with carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide also will be produced, no doubt about it. But along with that, carbon suboxide also will be produced. C3O2. This is called as carbon suboxide. It is called carbon monoxide. It is called carbon dioxide. It is called as carbon suboxide. And in the same way, C12O11 is also there. C12O9 is also there. C12O9. It is called as mellitic anhydride. So there are 4 different types of compounds we have when the carbon reacts with the oxygen. Carbon oxygen to react ayyappudu 4 different types of compounds produce avutayi. So the answer is A. Very good. So based on the request of Rajkumar, I will explain the shortcut method to get the hybridization. So ఎప్పుడైనా మనకి ఒకటి కావాలంటే ఒకటి కొంచెం మైండ్లో ఉండాలి. Suppose if you want to know the shortcut method to get the hybridization, you have to know the group numbers first. Group numbers కానీ నీకు తెలియకపోతే you cannot get the hybridization of any compound. Suppose if I want to get the hybridization of the carbon in CH4. Rajkumar, are you there? If I want to get the hybridization of, hi Rakesh, good evening. మీ రెజల్యూషన్ పెంచుకోవాలన్న శ్రీజ్యోతి, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇంక్రీజ్ యువర్ రెజల్యూషన్ పెంచుకోకపోతే క్లియర్గా కనబడదు. ఓకే, అందులో ఎక్కడో ఆప్షన్స్లో మనకి రెజల్యూషన్ అని ఉంటుంది. రెజల్యూషన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇంక్రీజ్, రైట్? So if you want to get the hybridization of carbon in this case, First of all, you have to know the group number of the carbon. Carbon is which group? Fourth group. So you need to write the 4 here. Plus hydrogen which group? It is the first group. So you need to write the 1. But how many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogens. So 4 plus 4. The answer is 8. Okay, consider that it is x. If the x is less than or equal to 8, then you have to divide this with 2. Suppose if x is greater than 8, then you have to divide it with 8. X అనేది 8 కానీ 8 కన్నా తక్కువ అయితే 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. X 8 కన్నా ఎక్కువ అయిపోతే 8 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. So here our value is x equals to 8. 8 కాబట్టి దేనితో డివైడ్ చేస్తాం? You have to divide it with 2. So our answer is 4. ఒకవేళ నీ ఆన్సర్ 2 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, it is sp hybridization. If your answer is 3, it is sp2. If your answer is 4, it is sp3. If your answer is 5, it is sp3d. If your answer is 6, it is sp3d2. If your answer is 7, it is sp3d3. Here our answer is 4. 4 means it is sp3. So in this methane, the carbon is having sp3 hybridization. Got it all of you or not? Got it? I will give one more example to you. Suppose if you want to calculate the sulfur dioxide here. Sulfur dioxide, in which the central atom is sulfur. So which hybridization of sulfur it has? Which hybridization of sulfur it has? Let us see. Let us see. Sulfur, which group it is? 6th group. Plus oxygen is also 6th group. But how many oxygens are there? 2 oxygens are there. So it is equals to 6 plus 12. That means our answer is 18. Okay, 18 it has. 18 means it is greater than 8. So it should divide it with 8. 8 ni 18 to 88 to divide cheste you will get 8 2s are 16. So remainder is 2. Remainder enta unna this is important concept. Remainder enta unna you have to divide that remainder with 2. Remainder enta ranindi you have to divide it with 2. So 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 0. Remainder 0 వచ్చేంత వరకు చేయాలి. So our quotients are 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 means 3. So our answer is 3 here. 3 వస్తే ఏంటన్నా that is sp2. So in SO2 the sulfur is having sp2 hybridization. Got it? Coming to one more example. NH3. NH3. Nitrogen is which group? 5th group. చెప్పండి మీరు. NH3. What is the hybridization of nitrogen? In NH3, what is the hybridization of nitrogen? Tell me anyone. Please be quick. Already half an hour is over. Wow, good Nikhil. Krishna sp3. But with respect to my concept, nitrogen is 5th group plus hydrogen is 1st group into 3. So 5 plus 3 that is 8. 8 means you have to divide it with 2. 8 by 2 means that is 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. That's all. Got it? Very good. Coming to the next question. Yes. Gas X is obtained on heating KClO3. KClO3 ని heat చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది అందరికీ తెలుసు. It is an irreversible reaction. Already we have discussed in chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium lo మనం discuss చేసుకున్నాం. Whether it is reversible or irreversible we have already seen. Okay. So if you heat this KClO3, it will produce a gas like X. In the presence of MnO2, no problem. So the first one is KClO3. If you heat it in the presence of manganese dioxide, it will produce a gas like X. This gas on reaction with white phosphorus means P4. White phosphorus forms an acid oxide, one acidic oxide. So phosphorus to వచ్చే acidic oxide ఏంటో చూడండి, that is Y here. And Y on dissolving in water forms a compound Z. So identify X, Y and Z. That's all. Please give some examples of difficulty compounds. So maximum difficulty compounds ఏ ఉండవు నాన్న. Maximum difficulty compounds ఏవి ఉండవు Prashant Reddy. Because if you apply these I mean what we call this simple trick, you can do whatever the hybridization it is. A hybridization for any molecule, you can find out the hybridizations, no doubt about it. Okay, yeah, please tell me the 8th question. What is the answer for 8th question? Anyone? Quick, be quick. KClO3, if you heat it, KClO3 is irreversible reaction. Yeah, Srijyoti said that it is B, sir, antondi. B. Wow, good. Chuddam whether it is right or wrong, we will see. Srijyoti. Quick, come on. Yeah, Venkata said that it is A, good. But we need to see whether it is right or wrong. So KClO3 decompose chestoni tells me it is an irreversible reaction. KClO3, 2 KClO3 gives rise to X. That means it is a gas. When that gas is reacted with the phosphorus, it will produce phosphorus oxides. That means acidic oxide will be produced. And this Y is on dissolving with water, it will produce Z. Yeah, Prashant Reddy said that it is D. Oxygen P2O5 and H3PO3 and we need to see whether it is right or wrong. Lavanya Reddy said again A. Yeah. Quick, be quick, fast. Allow cheyali. So many people are there. Very good. I will explain clearly. See here, when the KClO3 is decomposes, it is a decomposition of KClO3 in the presence of temperature. Yeah, A. Those who opted the A, they are correct. Very good. Those who opted A, they are all correct. Good, very good. So let us see how the A option is correct. KClO3, here it is KClO3, 2 KClO3. In the presence of MnO2, if you heat it, it will produce 2 KCl plus 3 O2. So oxygen gas is liberates. Oxygen will liberates 2 KClO3 in the presence of MnO2. It will produce 2 KCl plus 3 O2. Okay. So the X is O2, no doubt. X is O2. So this oxygen, when it reacts with phosphorus, acidic oxide will be produced. Acidic oxide means P2O5, or simply it is called P4O10. So when the phosphorus reacts with oxygen, it will produce P4O10 or P2O5 it is. Okay. So this P4O10 or P2O5, see here, next. This P2O5, when dissolved with water, forms a compound Z. So this P4O10, when it reacts with water, it will produce H3PO4. If you take P4O6, when it reacts with water, it will produce H3PO3. But P4O10, when it reacts with water, it will produce phosphoric acid. It is phosphorus, that is phosphoric. Yeah, Venkata, very good. That is dimer. This is a dimer, that is also dimer. Phosphorus pentoxide, phosphorus trioxide. Both are dimers. But phosphorus trioxide, when it dissolves into the water, it will produce phosphorus. Whereas phosphorus pentoxide, when it reacts with water, it will produce phosphoric acid. It is called phosphoric. It is called as phosphoric, but it is phosphorus acid. ఇప్పుడు అడిగింది H3PO4 అని ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి. P2O5 తో H3PO3 రాదు. P2O5 తో it will only produce H3PO4. So our answer is A. Very good. Those who opted A, they are all correct. Very good. Coming to the next question. Number of different bonds present in P4O10. See here, it is also in 18th September 2020 shift 1. APSET lo undi. Yes, orthophosphorus or orthophosphoric. See here, number of different bonds present in P4O10. P4O10 lo what are the different types of bonds which are present? 8 PO, 4 P double bond O. 12 PO, 3 P double bond O. 12 PO, 4 P double bond O. 8 PO, 3 P double bond O. That's all. Please have the correct answer. Anyone? Be quick. Number of different bonds present in P4O10. So if you know the structure of P4O10, you can easily find out how many number of PO bonds are there and how many number of P double bond O bonds are there. You can easily find out. So you have to know. Yeah, Venkata said that it is C. We need to see whether it is right or wrong. Anyway, for the attempt it is good. Very good. What about the remaining? Yeah, Krishna said that it is B and not Krishna. Be quick. 16 bonds are present or unheard. Yeah, Someswari. Yeah, Soni Someswari. Okay, Someswari said that it is 16 bonds are 16 bonds. Correct? Nikhil said it is A. Gautam. Hi Gautam, very good evening. Welcome. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel, Gautam. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Those who opted C, they are all correct. Those who opted C, they are all correct. Very good. But how the C and 12 PO bonds and 4 P double bond O bonds. How it is correct? We will see. The structure of P4O10 we will see. P4O10. This is phosphorus, oxygen, phosphorus. Okay. In between the phosphorus and oxygen, there is an oxygen bond. Ether bond it is. And in this too. So 4 phosphorus are over. Coming to the oxygens. How many oxygens are there? 10 oxygens are there actually. So we have written 4 oxygens. And each phosphorus is having 1 double bond O. Okay. So 4 more oxygens are also over. So 4 plus 4, 8 oxygens are over. Coming to the last 2. In between these 2 phosphorus and in between these 2 phosphorus, there is 2 bridged oxygen bonds are there. Bridged oxygen bonds are there. So this is bond O bond, it is also bond O bond. So how many P bond O, single bond? P bond O chudandi, P double bond O chudandi. I will give the clarity about P double bond O. This is 1, it is 2, it is 3 and it is 4. So P double bond O's are 4. What about P single bond O's? Yeah, it's not diagonal, it is a bridged bond. Venkata, it's a bridged bond. Okay. See here. PO. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are 12. Okay. So PO bonds are 12 whereas P double bond O is 4. That's why the answer is C. Got it all of you? Wow, good. Coming to the next question. Coming to the next one. Which of the following compounds are formed when boron trichloride? What is the formula of boron trichloride? BCl, of course. Sorry, this is also in the IP it has deleted. In the IP it was deleted. But anyway, let us see. When boron trichloride is treated with water, BCl3 is treated with water, what are the products which are formed? Do it first, quick. Third group elements. These are all third group elements. So when the boron trichloride reacts with water, what are the products? When boron trichloride reacts with water, what are the products? Please be quick. Venkata said that it is A. Sri Jyoti said that it is A. We need to see whether it is right or wrong. What about the remaining? Please be answer quickly. Yes, Those who opted A, they are all correct. Very good. H3BO3 is called as boric acid, and HCl. Srijyoti, it is not H2O. HCl. H3BO3 boric acid and HCl will be produced. See here. H3 and 1 boron. Oxygens are 3. So H3BO3 plus 3 hydrogens are remains here. 3 chlorines are there. So 3 HCl will be produced. So H3BO3 is called as boric acid and HCl. These two will be produced. Very good, very good, very good. No, Rajkumar, it is not 4. చూడడానికి ఇక్కడ 3 అనుకుంటాం మనం. చూసుకోండి ఇలాంటి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. It is not H3BO3. It is not a boric acid. HBO3 it is. Okay, right. So H3BO3. Or otherwise ఒక్కోసారి ఈ H3BO3 ని కన్ఫ్యూజన్ కోసం ఎలా ఇస్తాడంటే BOH thrice అని ఇస్తాడు. BOH thrice అన్న H3BO3 అన్న both are one same. Okay, right. I think you know very well about this question. The dry ice is. Tell me quickly. Dry ice. You can easily opt the correct answer. Sri Jyoti said that it is B. 2020 September again. Gautam said that it is A. Dry carbon dioxide are unhead. Which is the correct one? Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Those who opted B, they are all correct. Those who opted the B, they are all correct. The solid carbon dioxide is called as dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide ni manam dry ice అని పిలుస్తాం. No, it's not A, it is purely B. Coming to the next question. Identify the products when the chlorine reacts with cold and dilute. Very, 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 very important question it is. Cold and dilute sodium hydroxide. Cold and dilute sodium hydroxide. Then what are the products which are formed here? Chlorine, cold and dilute sodium hydroxide. There are two conditions actually. When the chlorine reacts with concentrated, hot and concentrated okay, BCO2 లా కనపడలేదన్నా? CO2 రాసాను చూడండి. Okay, yes. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి నాకు, what is the correct one? When the chlorine reacts with cold and dilute sodium hydroxide, hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide. First cold చెప్పండి, then we will discuss about the next one. Yeah, Krishna said that it is C అంటున్నారు. Cold egg. Venkata also said that it is C sir అంటున్నారు. Krishna said that it is C. Okay, no problem. Wow, good. Those who opted C, they are all correct. Excellent. Good. So when the chlorine reacts with cold and dilute sodium hydroxide, it is a direct question in the IP. It's a direct question. In the long answer questions, 8 marks questions, as well as in 2 marks questions, this is very important concept. When the chlorine reacts with sodium hydroxide in different conditions, very good, it will produce NaCl and NaOCl along with H2O. Very good. Sodium chloride, sodium hypochlorite and H2O. It is called as sodium hypochlorite. So one more important question is, suppose if the chlorine reacts with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide, what are the products? Just please give A, B, C వదిలేసేయండి. Here the answer is C, no doubt. But apart from C, if you react the chlorine with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide, what are the products? Yeah, Guna Sai said that it is A, A. Very good, very good, very good. A correct. Those who opted A, they are all correct. Excellent. So when the chlorine reacts with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide, it will produce again NaCl, but along with NaCl, NaClO3 will be produced. This is called as sodium chlorate. It is called as sodium hypochlorite. It is sodium chlorate. That is sodium hypochlorite and it is sodium chlorate. So net problem ఉంటుంది నాన్న శ్రీజ్యోతి. నీకు net problem అయి ఉంటుంది. Please check your internet once. What about the remaining? Is it visible clearly? Remaining people, is it visible clearly or not? Yes, Srijyoti, please check your internet once, okay? Yes. Choose the alkali metal with highest reactivity. Yeah, alkali metals lo deni reactivity chala ekkuva untundi. Deni reactivity cesium, lithium, sodium and rubidium. Out of these four, which reactivity is more? Ivanni all these are alkali metals. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Of course, francium is a radioactive element. Ade antanna Divya, please increase the resolution and please check your internet, then definitely the clarity will be there. Na clear ga kanipistundi. Yeah, Guna Sai చెప్తున్నాడు, that is B sir అన్నాడు, but we need to check whether it is right or wrong. Cesium, lithium, sodium and rubidium. So when you are moving from top to bottom, what about the atomic size? What about the ionization potential? Based on that, you can easily observe that whether the reactivity is more or less. Sri Jyoti again said that it is B, 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 all are B, B, B అంటారు. Very good, Sri Jyoti. When you are moving from top to bottom, the atomic size will be increased, no doubt. What about ionization energy? Atomic size increase అయితే ionization energy అవుతుంది. When you are moving from top to bottom, atomic size increases. What about the ionic size? Ionization potential. Good, decreases. Ionization potential decreases means it can easily lose the electron. Suppose if you compare the lithium, sodium, potassium మనకి ఇవ్వలేదుగా, rubidium and cesium. Out of these four, which can easily loses the electron? Cesium can easily loses the electron. So if the cesium can easily lose the electron, it can have more reactivity. So obviously the answer is A. So cesium is having more reactivity because when you are moving from top to bottom, the atomic size will be increased. When the atomic size will be increased, ionization potential will be reduced. When the ionization potential will be reduced, it can easily lose the electron. So once it can easily lose the electron, it can have a capacity to react with the other substance more. So cesium is the correct answer. Okay, coming to the next one. Which oxide among the following cannot act as a reducing agent? Cannot act as a reducing agent. ఎవరు reducing agent కింద act చేయరు? Which oxide among the following cannot act as a reducing agent? Reducing agent కి act చేయాలంటే first opt చేయండి, then we will discuss. Please opt it first. Yeah, Krishna said B. Opt చేయాలి quick గా. Which is not acting as a reducing agent. Reducing agent అంటే అవతల వాడు రెడ్యూస్ చేయాలి. Am I right or not? అవతల వాడు రెడ్యూస్ చేయాలి. అవతల వాడు రెడ్యూస్ అవ్వాలంటే ఇది ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ లాస్ అవ్వాలి. ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ లాస్ అయితే ఆక్సిడేషన్. That means it should increase its oxidation state. ఆక్సిడేషన్ నెంబర్ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Yeah, somebody said C, B, D, B. Very good, very good. But what is the correct? We need to wait. Yeah. Any more? Quick, be quick. Divya said that it is CO2. Very good, very good, very good. Those who opted C, they are all correct. Those who opted C, they are all correct. Very good. But why it is correct? Why the CO2 is not acting as a reducing agent? Already the same type of question is repeated. Same type of question is there in the previous slides. Why the CO2 is not acting as a reducing agent? Because, yes, see here, I will give the reason. Suppose if you take sulfur, which group it is? 6th group. So the maximum oxidation state is +6. Here the nitrogen is 5th group. So the maximum oxidation state is +5. Carbon is 4th group. Maximum oxidation state is +4. Cannot donate hydrogen? No. ఏవి డొనేట్ చేయలేదు కదా హైడ్రోజన్ని, ఎవరు డొనేట్ చేయలేరు. ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్, విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు opt it. With respect to electrons matrame we need to talk. Okay, Venkata. So this chlorine is 7th group. So the maximum oxidation state is +7. Maximum oxidation state is +7. So we ఏమంటున్నాడు, reducing agent చూడమంటున్నాడు. ఎవరు reducing agent కాదని అడుగుతున్నాడు. Reducing agent means, yeah, good. Reducing agent means అవతల సబ్స్టెన్స్ రిడక్షన్ అవ్వాలి. ఇది oxidize అవ్వాలి. ఇది oxidize అయితే it should increase its oxidation state. Okay, in this the sulfur oxidation state is +4. It is -2 means -4 means it is +4. Nitrogen -4 +4 again. It also +4. It also +4. All the elements are having +4 oxidation state. +4 can convert to +6, so it can be reduced. That means it can be oxidized, but it is acting as a reducing agent. +4 can convert to +5. +4 can convert to +7. But +4 is already reached its maximum oxidation state. So how can it increase its oxidation state? Carbon. Very good, Divya. Oxidation state already maximum వచ్చేసింది. సో ఇంకా అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ మనకి లేదు. వెరీ గుడ్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ సి. Coming to the last one. This is the last question in this session. Please do it fast. Dilute sodium hydroxide. Dilute sodium hydroxide does not react with which of the following? Dento react avaledu. Dilute sodium hydroxide does not react with which of the following? Gallium, aluminum, titanium and boron. Out of these four, to which the dilute sodium hydroxide cannot react with? Yeah, somebody said it is B, C, A. You opted different answers, but we need to discuss which one is correct. Wow, B like that. Vasundhara said that it is D. Those who opted D option, they are correct. Those who opted D, they are correct. Normally, this boron cannot react with dilute sodium hydroxide, but the same boron can react with concentrated sodium hydroxide. When it reacts with concentrated sodium hydroxide, it will produce a complex compound, that is NaBOH 4 times along with hydrogen. NaBOH 4 times. BOH 4 times will produce along with hydrogen. Of course, concentrated sodium hydroxide to కొన్ని water molecules could add అవుతాయి, but anyway the boron can react with concentrated sodium hydroxide, but boron cannot react with dilute sodium hydroxide. That's all. Okay. Can we see one more question? Shall I move to the next question? Yes. Again, this is the last question, because the time is almost over. Which species among the following does not show disproportionation? Disproportionation means one molecule can dissociate into two different molecules in which the oxidation state will be increased in one molecule, and the oxidation state of this compound will be decreased to another molecule. అంటే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్ తాలూకు ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్ తాలూకు ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ విచ్ కేస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్, డస్ నాట్ షో అన్నాడు. అంటే మ్యాక్సిమం ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్ రీచ్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి వీటిలోని, ఇట్ కెనాట్ డిక్రీజెస్ ద ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. So all chlorines are 7th A group elements. This is +7 oxidation states. Maximum oxidation state is +7, right? In this, the oxidation state is -4. X -4 is equal to -1. -4 equals to -1 means it is +3. -6 is equal to -1 means it is +5. -2 is equal to -1 means it is +1. It is +7. Yeah. Okay, T Venkataratnam, Prince Ravi entered T Venkataratnam. Okay, anyway, good. So out of these four, which cannot change its oxidation state? Wow, good, Lavanya Reddy and Gunasai. Good, very good, very good. +3 can convert to +7, +5 can convert to +7, +1 can convert to +7, but +7 cannot convert to +7 again. Already it reaches the maximum, so it cannot participate in disproportionation reactions. It cannot participate in disproportionation reactions. Very good, very good, very good. So likewise, please come to my classes regularly. Tomorrow we have a carbonyl compounds concept. Tomorrow we have a carbonyl compounds concept in special class evening 8 to 9 o'clock. So evening 8 to 9 o'clock special Unacademy app download చేసుకోండి. Those who are not having that educator app, learner app download చేసుకోండి. అవన్నీ కూడా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బార్లో ఉన్నాయి. డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బార్లో అవన్నీ కనిపిస్తాయి మనకి, అవి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. Then please come to the tomorrow's evening 8 to 9 o'clock on దేనిలో ఉంది ఏంటి చాప్టర్. I will discuss the previous year questions on carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds will discuss. Until then, keep watching my videos, all of you.